This video will demonstrate how to install, edit and create your own reports. To begin, click Settings and select Reports from the menu. To install reports, click the Browse ShelterManager.com button. Reports, which are grayed out, are already installed in your report menu. Check the boxes next to the reports you wish to install and click the Install button. I will now create a new report by clicking on the New Report button. The category will determine the section the report will appear in within the report menu. You can create your own category or select one from the reports you already have installed. As the report I'm going to create is for animals leaving the shelter, I will select the movement category. The report title is the display name of the report in the menu. Reports can be emailed on a schedule to selected people. If roles are selected here, only people with those roles will be able to view the report. If you are familiar with SQL, you can create your report directly in the editor here. The editor has autocomplete to help you. Pressing Ctrl-Space will display the available tables. The tick icon is the built-in syntax checker. You can use this to check for errors. After selecting a table followed by dot, you can also use Ctrl-Space to display the columns in that table. The spanner icon is used to generate HTML to display the results in a table. We will revisit this shortly. Clicking the light bulb icon takes you to the easy-to-use query builder. This allows you to create SQL from drop-down selections. Next, we choose the fields we want to appear in the report. If you have created any additional fields of your own in Lookup Data, they will appear at the bottom of the fields list. The active movement date is the date the animal left the shelter. The active movement type name is the movement type such as adoption, transfer, etc. Moving the fields around will change the order of the columns displayed in the results. For the criteria, I will select left shelter between two dates. The criteria with star mean the user will be asked a question, in this case from and to dates. Sort chooses the fields the results should be ordered by. Selecting active movement type name will sort the results into the types of movement so the same types will appear together. By adding active movement date as a secondary sort after sorting by type, the results will then be sorted by date. Next, we click the Update button to add the selections as SQL to the editor. The orange text is the encoded version of the selections made in the Query Builder. You can go back into the Query Builder to make changes if you wish. You will see the change in the SQL when you return to the editor. Now by clicking on the spanner icon, the system will generate a simple formatted table to output the results of the SQL. You can edit the column names by replacing the text between the HTML tags. Clicking the Add button saves the report and adds it to the report menu. Now, after refreshing the browser window, the report will appear in the Movement category of the report menu.